How do you set the focus mode on the Apple Watch? Let me show you some things which are available, some features or options that we have. If you're new here, subscribe so you never miss anything important. So of course, you can grab the Apple Watch and press the side button. So it's not like the digital crown which is rotating, but you essentially just click the longer power button, whatever, and the control center should appear. So make sure to look for the moon icon, which is for the do not disturb. You should be able to click on it to expand it and enable a specific focus mode. Obviously, it is connected with your phone, so you can set up all of the different conditions and the way that it functions on the iPhone settings and focus, and all of those individual focus modes can be set up so you can filter notifications and set up all of these different options, whatever. One very interesting thing in here is that you can customize the screens. So for example, if you enable the personal focus, you can decide that your iPhone will only display a selected home screen as well as lock screen. But for the Apple Watch, you can also decide which watch face will be used during the period of the focus. So that is also another way how we can kind of connect it together and make sure that you get the most out of this mode, right? So for example, if you want to be learning a language or have your work focus enabled, whatever, you perhaps don't want to be interrupted by some notifications, which you can manage here. And also you don't probably want to see the weather information on your watch or something unimportant for that occasion. So that is how we can set it up. Let me know in the comments below if you managed to find it. Hit the thumbs up and subscribe for more similar tutorials and videos like this one. And I'll talk to you soon. So thanks a lot and I'll see you later.